how to turn on or off customized updates and more notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on customized updates notifications on TikTok app. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, and once you are in your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is scroll down and you're gonna find push notifications. Click on it, and now scroll down the last option, which is customized updates and more. You can turn off or on this option wherever you want. If you turn off, you're not gonna get a notifications of all your TikTok updates, and choose wherever you want. So easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.